Anna-Zhyao delivers specialized powder coating solutions for railway accessories. We've designed a custom powder coating line specifically for railway accessories, ensuring a stable and eco-friendly production process through well-planned layouts and high recovery systems. We've built an extensive service network worldwide, ensuring quick responses to your needs and providing expert technical support. No matter your requirements, we offer tailor-made solutions. Let Anna-Zhyao be your reliable partner. Contact us today to learn more and get your personalized consultation.